A promotion is not merely a rise in designation, it is a recognition of years of dedication, perseverance, and service. And when such a milestone is celebrated with colleagues who have shared the journey, it becomes a memory to cherish forever. Welcome to Dr. Samad Insight. Success becomes truly meaningful when it is celebrated with gratitude and shared with those who have been part of the journey. Today, a memorable celebration unfolded at SHRI Government Higher Secondary School, Doimukh, where newly promoted vice principals, namely Dr. Abdus Samad and Sri Bullo Monay, sirs, jointly hosted a grand luncheon party for their esteemed colleagues and office staff. The celebration started with congratulatory speech by Sri Gungsi Taku, Vice Principal of SHRI Government Higher Secondary School, Doimukh.
समद साहब और मनो साहब कुछ मिठाई का जगह में खाने के लिए दिया है। फॉर दैट आई ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ SHRI गवर्नमेंट हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल दोईमुख के ओर से हम थैंक्स देना चाहूँगा दोनों को, और मैं विश देना चाहूँगा कि देश का काम दोनों का हेल्थ अच्छा हो और कहीं में भी अच्छा जगह में उनको पोस्टिंग करें, और जितना तक दुनिया में होगा अच्छा से सर्विस को खत्म करना है, सर्विस जितना जो है रेस ऑफ लाइफ को ऊपर वाला मालूम होगा, तो उसको हम सब देते हैं प्रभु को, और आज जो दिया है बहुत बहुत थैंक्स ना।
Throughout the program, laughter, conversations, and shared memories created a vibrant and memorable atmosphere. The occasion marked not just a professional milestone but also a celebration of friendship, teamwork, and dedication to education. For Dr. Samad and Sri Bullo Monay sirs, this promotion represents years of sincere service, commitment, and dedication to the noble profession of teaching. Rather than celebrating individually, both officers choose to share their happiness with the entire school family, making the occasion even more meaningful. The celebration conveyed a powerful message that true leadership is built on humility, gratitude, and togetherness. As the saying goes, success is best when it is shared. Today's event beautifully demonstrated that every milestone becomes more memorable when celebrated with colleagues who have walked the journey together. On this joyous occasion, colleagues extended their heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to both vice principal promotees as they begin a new chapter of educational leadership. May their experience, wisdom, and commitment continue to inspire students, teachers, and the entire academic community towards the nation building. So please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Samad Insight for more insights on education, horticulture, and current affairs. Thank you for watching.